Hello everyone, welcome to GeekerMag. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix slow download speed in Google Chrome. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. First of all, in the Chrome address bar, you need to type chrome:// and hit enter. This will open the Chrome experimental features page. In the search box, type parallel downloading. When it appears in the results, you can see its description say it accelerate the downloading speed. Using this drop down, select enabled and then click on the relaunch button to apply the changes. Next thing we need to do is click on the three dots icon available on the upper right corner and then go all the way down to settings and select it. In the settings, select privacy and security on the left and then on the right side select security. In the security settings, scroll down and locate Use Secure DNS. Make sure this feature is toggle on. After that, using the Select DNS Provider drop-down, select Google Public DNS. Now try to download the file and check if this increases the downloading speed. If you didn't notice any change, using the same drop-down, select Cloudflare and then check the speed. Now you need to keep in mind that not all the time you will get fast downloading speed from one DNS provider. So switch between these two time to time. Also, downloading speed depends on your internet service provider. So make sure to perform speed test and check if you are getting internet speed promised by them. That's all about this video. Let me know in the comments if this helps in improving the downloading speed. Thanks for watching.